Alright. So, let's just say you want a pet bird. You don't want a parrot or finch or anything. You want those big birds. You know, you know, you want farm birds. What farm bird would be best? Okay. Okay. My personal picks would be ducks, chickens, and pigeons. Okay. Want to know why I choose those three birds? Let me tell you. Okay, first obvious reason, if you're breeding them for their eggs or meat, then yeah, that's a good choice. Okay. First of all, pigeons aren't loud. They're not loud. They barely even make any noise besides flapping. They're flapping noises. Sometimes during the mating season, they'll do that sound. Okay, second, yeah, that's pretty much it for pigeons. Okay, chickens. Okay, reason why you should have chickens. They look pretty cool. They're pretty tame if you have any kids. Well, don't get like fighting chickens like Asian breeds, like Malay roosters, the red jungle fowl. Yeah, those are aggressive as fuck. Don't get a seals because they're freaking dangerous too. Freaking dangerous. If you want a nice docile chicken, go get a Sarama, a Frizzle, Polish, Silky. Silkies are like these big poodle-like chickens. They have really fluffy cotton ball-like feathers. Yeah, and also they also eat grass. They also mow your grass for you, but they eat too much grass. And yeah, they eat mice. So if you have a mice problem, then they eat that. They eat them. They also eat snakes. But there's the ducks. Ducks, other than being used for their meat and eggs, they also eat grass, but they don't eat as much grass as chickens. Yeah, but anyways, yeah, that's pretty much it. For ducks also eat weeds. If you're a gardener and you had weeds, hire some ducks and they'll eat the weeds. Now, if you want to get these birds, I recommend you go to the Fond du Lac, the Fond du Lac Bird and Game Fall Swap. That's a pretty good place to get your birds. Or you can just go to your local breeder and get your birds there. Yeah, but that's pretty much. But yeah, or you can just go to a relative that actually has these birds. Any of the three birds I recommended, and yeah. Now I'm gonna go to the section where what birds I don't recommend. Okay, birds I don't recommend. Guinea fowl. Guinea fowl, they can fly. Yeah, they fly really fucking fast and they're also really loud. They sound like yeah, they sound like that and it annoys the fuck out of you. And plus they do this really early in the morning. So if you don't want to hear then the guinea fowl is not the bird for you. I mean, roosters, they're loud, but they only do it once in the morning, okay? And plus, some chickens can fly, but not frizzles. Frizzle chickens can't fly, so that's good. But they can't defend themselves pretty much any good. Yeah, anyway, yeah. Okay, another bird I don't recommend is, the pheasants. Pheasants aren't really good because, they're really rowdy and they have really sharp talons. So if your child gets close to them because they get spooked really easily, okay, they will fly up everywhere and they might knock over your child and scratch them in the scalp or something. They have really sharp fucking talons. They run really fast. So yeah, pheasants aren't good for you unless if you know how to handle them. Then pheasants are good for beginners. What the fuck is my brother doing? Why is my brother yelling? Holy shit. Okay. The next thing I'm about to tell you is like miscellaneous birds. These birds, you can get them if you want. Okay, now we're gonna talk about miscellaneous birds. Miscellaneous birds. These these birds you can get if you want. Okay, quails. Quails. They can. They're not really loud, but they're a little louder than pigeons, but not really loud. They can fly and run pretty fast, and they're also pretty they're also pretty jittery. They can get startled sometimes really easily so yeah. Okay, next up is geese. Geese, they're bigger than ducks, okay? But they're pretty much just imagine a giant freaking duck with a longer neck. Yeah, that's a geese. Also, geese are louder than ducks. And they're a little bit more aggressive. Okay, next are partridges. Partridges are like quails, but a little bigger, but they're more quieter. They're basically just pretty much the same thing. So yeah, so yeah. So in conclusion, if this video helps you, this video helps you in any way, then yeah. Okay, bye bye. So yeah, birds I recommend are chickens, ducks, and pigeons. Birds I don't recommend are guinea fowl and pheasants, and the miscellaneous birds include partridges, quail, and geese. Okay, bye bye, and I hope this helps you if you want a new poultry pet from the farm. Subscribe for more videos.